4x minus 1 minus x square equals to 0, we are going to solve this quadratic equation by ax square plus bx plus c, the standard quadratic equation. First, we have to find out a, b, c. We can write here a equals to, a is a coefficient of x square, it means minus 1. B equals to coefficient of x, which is 4. And c is a constant. We can write this one is a what? Minus 1. We know as per standard quadratic equation formula, x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, right? Divide 2a. So what is b? B is here is a 4, so we can write minus 4 plus minus then root over b square, it means 4 square minus 4ac. 4 times a means minus 1 times b means minus 1. So we are going to multiply this one, and 2a, 2 times minus 1. Okay, so after calculation we will get here is a minus 4 plus minus root over 4 square means 16. Here is a minus times minus, it means minus 4 times 1 times 1, it will be 4, and 2 times minus 1, it will be minus 2, right? Next, here is a minus 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4, what? 16 minus 4 is a 12. Okay, 12, and here is a minus 2. So we can simplify more, like these 12 root 12, we can write root over 4 times 3, root 4 means 2, and here is a root 3. So against root 12 we can write 2 root 3, so it will be minus 4 plus minus 2 root 3 divide minus 2. So from here we can take common minus 2, okay, or we can take common 2. Here is a 2, so here is a minus 2 plus minus root 3 divide, here is a minus 2, so 2 and 2 out, we can write here is a minus, and then minus 2 plus minus root 3. So now once if we consider here is a plus minus, if we consider plus, so it will be x equals to minus, here is a minus 2 plus root 3. So minus and minus plus, so 2 plus and minus minus root 3. Okay, so one part. Another part, once minus, so here is a x equals to minus, then minus 2 and minus, here is a root 3. So finally minus and minus plus, it means only 2, plus and minus again plus, here is a root 3. So our answer is x equals to 2 minus root 3 or 2 plus root 3. This is our answer. So number 3 of this chapter done. Two x square minus 5x minus 1, we are going to solve this quadratic equation by standard formula. First we have to compare with ax square plus 5x plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to the coefficient of x square, it means 2. B, the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. C is a constant, which is minus 1. We know as per quadratic equation x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So step by step we have to put this one minus b means minus 5 plus minus root over b square, it means minus 5 square minus 4 times a means what? A means 2 times c means minus 1 divide 2a, 2 times a means what? 2. Okay, so now we are going to calculate minus and minus, it's a plus, so 5 plus minus root over minus 5 square, it's a 25, minus and minus, it will be plus. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, 2 times 2 it's a 4, right? So what will be the answer here? We will get 5 plus minus root over 25 plus 8, it's a 33, divide 4. So here we have to do something like once positive, then x equals to 5 plus root 33 divide 4. Okay, so this one we can write like 1 by 4 5 plus root 33. It's a once when it's a positive, again once negative, it means x equals to 5 minus root 33 divide 4. So this one we can write 1 by 4 times 5 minus root 33. This is our answer. So number 4, question 4 done. 3x square plus 7x plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by the standard quadratic equation ax² plus bx plus c equals to 0.